If you can spot where we've patched the floor here, I want to congratulate you on having eyes in your head. No, you're probably wondering though, why is this repair so obvious? Well, I'm going to tell you. This pine floor in our customer's kitchen was covered for over 40 years by linoleum, so it's not been exposed to the sun whatsoever. She decided to remove the linoleum and also a wall, leaving a big hole in her floor. We were able to salvage some flooring from another part of the kitchen to use for the patch, but it's still pretty obvious, and that is simply due to the sun bleaching her old floor. But over time, these two floors will even out in color. If this was your floor, would you be happy with this repair?